And she's not gonna move, I bet you.
Not for another 5 minutes. That's how they stop in the wild.
I don't know why she's doing it. This is not her normal behavior.
Well, I mean, it's a huge, weird dog thing. They would actually look really cute together if they were friends, because they're both kind of black. You know, that'd be adorable. All right, Raven, let's see how long you're gonna stand on this side of the couch. You were 5 minutes on the other side. You have to tell your parents about this. It's hilarious.
We've certainly had some dodgy moments in this round, dude. My God. Okay, let's go for Maestro. Let's go for it. It's time, man. It's time. We should hit that 4 round combo in this fight as well, which quite satisfying.
He's not paying attention.
What is she gonna do? This dog is like twice her size.
She looks like she's planning something.
Oh, yep, there. She stopped staring at him.
She's planning. No, she's taking inventory of her environment. She's planning it.
What is she gonna plan?
She's like, so I'm gonna parkour onto this chair first, and then double flip onto the sofa, and I'll be behind him before he knows I'm even there. Ninja cat.
I really wish I had the what is it, the combo tracker?
You think if I pet her, she'll get creeped out?
But it's
Yes.
not on the CCP
Don't
page
touch
at the
it.
moment.
Unless it's me.
That's slightly unfortunate.
She likes me a lot.
Oh,
She
yeah, I didn't
always
think
comes
even
to say
worth
hi to
using
me
the,
every
the
session.
specialty in this fight against Maestro.
Yeah, well, right now she's planning.
That's what I said.
Maybe she sees a ghost.
I think the big black dog in front of her is the most likely.
That's still some nice damage off that.
I'll
though.
just throw this pillow in the way.
No.
If she tries to
Okay,
pat.
right.
Oh,
that's
yep.
the-
There she goes.
Where's she gonna go now? On this side of the couch?
You're not catching her.
There she is.
Oh, so that's what she was looking around for.
Yeah, I told
Move your
you.
phone.
She's parkouring.
I should move Loki a little bit. Just in case.
She's not gonna
Has it
jump.
been 25 minutes?
Chase went upstairs. For what? He's not on. He doesn't have session anymore.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't. I forgot. Whatever.
Poor guy. He's asleep. This is your chance. What are you doing? You're backing up now?
I'm just trying to maximize
So
my,
sneaky. It's so funny.
Oh, there she goes.
Where is she now?
Come on, dude. Let's see it.
Right
Let's
there.
see it, mate.
I got her.
Let's see.
Oh, she's doing it.
Thank you, sir.
Doing it.
Okay, this one in about again the strike.
Loki's
rail.
clueless.
Ooh, let's go. Okay.
Oh my god. I need to have like a good editor with this footage who can like forward the really long parts and put subtitles on it. Her eyes are so big. Oh, she's coming. She's coming closer.
Right, come
Wow.
on, Chief.
She's coming closer.
That's specialty, ain't you, fella?
What's gonna happen now?
He's almost down.
What's gonna
Here, I'll
happen?
move my book just in case she wants to come up.
The monster's
I just wanted to
asleep.
go for that, just to make it clean to get to this specialty, and then,
You
Correct.
know what to do, Raven.
The dog.
You know. Oh my god, look.
right up here now,
You missed it. She put her hand up.
so
Is
good.
she gonna
Slowly.
jump off?
I don't know. She slowly put her hand up and then she slowly put it back down.
This fat cat.
Oh my god, look at her head.
Oh no.
This is so
Dog,
funny.
just go up there. He says. I bet you she backs away. I bet you.
Don't scare her. Darn
It's
it.
not my fault. It's not my fault. There's a Loki move.
You're so loud.
Loki